This video is about how to repair your cracked dashboard. These days, with most cars made of cheap plastic, it's no wonder the dashboards crack so easily when you try to remove them for repair inside, like replacing the idiot lights or to replace a dimmer switch. Well, it happened to me when I was trying to replace some burned out bulbs on a Ford Explorer 2000. It seems the numbnut engineers at Ford tend to over-engineer stuff to the dismay of the customers that buy their piece of junk. So as I was removing the dash, which most dashboards come off by prying it away from the top after removing some screws on the bottom. Anyway, the headlight switch and the dimmer switch located on the left side of most Fords in America both had these ridiculous tabs on them, not to mention a tight fit of the plug, which caused me to break their mounting post trying to unplug them. Once I got the dash removed, I broke off the switch securing tabs since they are not required and are foolish anyway, unless you are driving in the Baja Badlands. As you can see on the post, all are broken away or in half. The remedy is to get some JB Weld, mix it half and half, and dab some over the broken post. Let the first batch harden before adding more. Once hardened, the next day proceed to file or trim the suit and then drill new mounting holes for the switch. Your new mount that you made will be much stronger than its original crap Ford or General Motors or others do when they manufacture these dashes. I understand they're trying to save weight, but that's not an area they should do that. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com. By the way, check out my latest books, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges, and the other one is NAVC, Waste, Fraud, and Abuse. Both are available from Amazon. They're great reading.